Hello Odooers, welcome back to our channel Devintelle. Today we will see how to generate lead number based on created lead of customer. So let's see about that, how to work it. You can see here module Dev Lead Customer Notification. First install this module, so click on this activate button. Now our module is installable. First go to settings, go to CRM app, and if you want to send email notification to the customer, so allow these options. Send and select here template lead notification to the customer. Let's say you now go to CRM app, go to leads and create new like a steel products. Contact is Anita. Let's say you and say here steel product is generated Anita for first time. So generate lead number is 1. Now again create new like a steel products for office. Again add contact is Anita. Let's say you. So now generated lead number is total 2 because steel product is already created for Anita and this lead is now is second time generate, and also send here email notification to the Anita. Display here name, description about, also display below customer name, email, phone number and description about this lead. If you found this helpful, do it like, share and subscribe. Thanks for watching this video.